I've fallen and I can't get up. Let's get to work.
Here we go.
What's up, people? MisterToolbox here. Gonna drop a Molotov cocktail of trivia on you today. We're gonna walk through how to rescue the project configurator if you've broken it. I walked through this in the creating a new project video, but the easiest way to break the project configurator is to delete your default project. So we'll set that up, we'll go through it, and I will show you how to fix it. So let's pop open the project configurator and get to work here. Here it is. I'm going to go ahead and create a new project. We'll just call this A1. We'll be deleting it anyway. Click Create Project. Then I'm going to click it and make sure it's set as default. You'll see the asset processor start to process the assets for the new project. We'll let that go for a second. And then we're going to delete that project. So let's pop open Windows Explorer. We're going to find that A1 folder and we'll press delete. So with it out of the way, if I close the project configurator and I try to reopen it, a whole lot of nothing's going to happen. There's two ways to solve this. If you just deleted the folder and you're lucky enough to have it in the recycle bin, you can open the recycle bin, click the folder, right click, click restore. Once you've done that, you can open the project configurator and it's going to work fine. If, however, you've emptied your recycle bin or you just don't have that in there anymore, there is another way to solve this problem. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that folder again. And this time we'll pretend it's gone forever. The way we'll get around it is by opening up this bootstrap.cfg file that's in your main dev folder. I've got it popped open in Atom here. You can use whatever text editor you want. But the line you're looking for me is on line 5. It's this sysgame folder. You'll see it's set to A1 right now. This defines the default project for Lumberyard. If I backspace on that, now it's empty. All I need to do is give it the name of a project that still exists. So since project configurator is broken at this point, what I can do is just look in these folders here at the root directory. Samples project's a pretty safe one. That one's not going to go anywhere. I've also got example project. So if I jump in here and I just type in samples project, exactly how it's spelled and capitalized in Windows Explorer, and I save that file, you'll see the asset processor spring back to life over here. I've still got this open, so let me close it. Then if we pop open the project configurator, you'll see it works again, and that samples project has been set to default. So if you do lose the folder and you've also purged it from your recycle bin, just jump into a text editor, open up the bootstrap.cfg, and type in the name of a project you know exists for sysgame folder. That will rescue the project configurator and get you back on track. So that's it. I'm going to keep these videos brief and just get through presenting a problem and showing you how to fix it so that if in the future you're working and you run into these problems yourself, you don't have to sift through 20-30 minutes of video in hopes that somebody's going to address your problem. I want to present it, show you how to solve it so you can get back to work. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more videos like this, if you think the format's helpful, just kind of quick one shot, present a problem, solve it type stuff. Any feedback you've got, drop it in the comments below, and as always, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.